Welcome to Getting Started with Enter. In this video, I'll show you how to install Enter code from scratch and start coding with AI right in your terminal in just a few steps. It supports 3 systems: Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. Enter code is a terminal-based AI super agent by Enter. 3 steps to get started. Step 1, install Node.js version 18 or above. LTS version recommended. On Mac OS, the easiest way is Homebrew just run brew install node. If you don't have Homebrew yet, head to brew.sh first. On Windows, head to Node.js.org and download the LTS installer. On Linux, we recommend using NVM to manage your node version. Step 2, install Enter code. One command works across all 3 systems: npm install g@enter pro enter code. Step 3, navigate to your project directory, run Enter, sign in with your Enter account, and you're all set. One last tip on models. Enter supports a range of models: Claude, GPT, DeepSeek, and more. You can switch anytime and pick whichever fits your workflow. For best results, plan your task before you start. It saves a lot of back and forth. Visit Enter Converge AI to explore more. See you in the next one.